Okay, so today we are going to discuss about asexual reproduction. Okay, asexual reproduction in animals. Asexual reproduction in animals. So in sexual reproduction, we learn that both the parents are responsible for reproduction. Okay, for reproduction. Whereas in asexual reproduction, it is not necessary that both the parents may be responsible. Okay, so asexual reproduction in animals are mostly done by three methods. Okay, number one, by binary fusion or fission. FU. Okay, sorry, fission. FISSION. By binary fission. Second one, by multiple fission, and another by budding. By budding. So we have three types of asexual reproduction that mostly animals we can find. Number one, binary fission. Number two, multiple fission, and number three, we have budding. Okay, so we will talk one by one. Okay, first let's talk about binary fission. So the term bi, okay, itself denotes two. The term bi itself denotes two. Okay, denotes two means, what do you mean denotes two? Yes. Okay, that means it denotes two. That means it will divide into two parts. It divides into two parts. Okay. So let's have a talk. So when one mature cell splits into two daughter cells, the process is called binary fission. So here one mature cell divides into two daughter cell. Okay, two daughter cell is termed as, is called binary fusion. FISSION. Okay, it's called binary fission. Okay, so by binary fission, in which one mature cell divides into two daughter cells, is called binary fission. So in binary fission, first the nucleus divide into two nuclei. That means a mature cell. These mature cell, they contain nucleus. Okay, this is a cell and this is a nucleus. Okay, so in this what happened? First this nucleus will divide into two parts. Okay, nuclei. The cytoplasm then divides into two parts, two equal parts. That means this is cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm, means the outer covering of the nucleus. Okay, cytoplasm. First of all, nucleus will divide into two nuclei. Okay, then cytoplasm will divide. That means it will divide like this. Okay, you can say division will be somehow like this, okay, and here we have nucleus which is divided into two parts. That means nuclei 1, nuclei 2. So when this compress, this nuclei will come at center. Got it? Understood? So this is single cell, okay, where cytoplasm and nucleus is present. So in binary fusion, first nucleus will divide inside the cytoplasm, okay, inside the cell. Then the cytoplasm will divide, okay, and it will be separated into two daughter cell. Two daughter cell. That means two bodies is formed. That too asexually. That too asexually. Further, stretching leads to the formation of two daughter cells. These cells so formed grow into mature cell and then undergo similar binary fusion. That means in this process, one mature cell divides into two daughter cells. Okay, slowly. It's not that it will divide drastically. First of all, nucleus will divide, then it will come this way, okay, then it will be separated. And when this plant or this animal, plant, when this cell further it will grow, it will follow the same process. Okay, it will follow same process. Again, this will divide into two, this will divide into two. So no fertilization is taking place. That means no male and female gamete is responsible. Only nuclei and cytoplasm is divided. Okay, example we have amoeba. Okay, example we have amoeba. So amoeba are microorganisms which are present in a water, mostly found in water bodies. Okay, mostly found in water bodies. They are very minute. Okay, even a glass of water can contain amoeba, million of amoebas. Okay, or not million, it can contain amoebas. Got it? Okay. Then second one, this is okay. Binary fission okay? Done? Any problem? Yes. Yes, yes. Now speak. Understood by binary fission? You haven't understood? Okay. Simply say. So, sit down. So, an animal to reproduce or to form a new one, what we require in sexual reproduction? Male and female. Okay, after that male gametes and female gametes fuse together to form zygote, embryo. Okay, but in asexual reproduction, male and female is not there. In amoeba, there is no male, no female. But how does it grow? How does it grow? It needs growing. Okay, it needs dividing. So one amoeba is there. Suppose this is an amoeba. Suppose this is an amoeba. What happens? They divides inside the body. The cell divides. This cell they divides. First of all, nuclei will divide. This is amoeba. Suppose. Okay, this is single amoeba. It is a unicellular amoeba. Unicellular microorganisms. Yes, amoeba itself is a cell. Amoeba itself is a cell. Okay, a single cell. Okay, so these cells they divide into two. First of all, पहले अंदर वाला divide होता है, that is nucleus. Then slowly it compresses and it divides into two daughter cells. Okay, as for example, suppose I am amoeba. I am a single cell. I don't have any cells. Okay, so the lower part and upper part will be separated. How it will be separated? First, suppose my stomach is a nuclei. Okay, only I have stomach and my stomach is nuclei. So first of all, stomach will divide inside my body. Then one part will go downwards, one part will go another part. Means it will divide in two parts. Okay, and both the parents, they have one cytoplasm and one nucleus. Okay, and it keeps on growing. Reproduction means growing of an individual. Okay, reproducing new individual. So here no sexual reproduction, no sexual process was done. No fusion of gametes were done. It simply divides. Okay, the nucleus and the cytoplasm, it divides. Okay, so example we have amoeba. Second was by multiple fusion. By multiple, not binary. Okay, binary means only two cells. Okay, it divides into two cells. But in multiple fusion, what happens when a cell produces many daughter cells? Okay, cell which produce many daughter cells, many daughter cell, it is said to be called multiple fusion. But in binary fusion, how many daughter cells were there? Only two. Okay, but in multiple fusion we have many daughter cells. So sometimes a cyst or a protective coating is formed around the cell. Okay, the cell divides many times within the cyst to produce many daughter cells. Okay, cyst means protective layer. Suppose this is a cell. Suppose this is a cell and it has a nucleus. Okay, same thing happen, but before happening same thing, what happens? A outer covering called cyst is produced. So outer covering is still there. Outer covering is still there. So this is an outer covering, and this cell, it divides into two in a single cell, in a single cyst. Another, again this divides into 4. Again this divides into 8. Okay, and finally at later stage this cyst will broke down. It will be broken. Okay, जैसे कि balloon. Example, the balloon. Balloon में पानी भरते रहो या कुछ फील करते रहो, क्या होगा बाद में? वो जब भर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? फट जाएगा. Same thing happens with the cyst also. Same thing happens with the cyst also. And the production of many daughter cells is called multiple fission. That means it is mostly seen in malarial parasite. It is mostly seen in malarial parasites. Malarial parasites. It is also microorganism, okay, which causes malaria. Which causes malaria. As for example, malaria is caused by mosquitoes. But mosquito is not responsible. Mosquito is not responsible. Okay, these parasites are responsible for malaria. Mosquito is only a carrier. Carrier means it is only a transport material, साधन है. Okay, mosquito ये parasite को ले लेता है और हम लोगों के body में छोड़ देता है. जानबूझ के? No, by process when it sucks the blood. Okay, when it sucks the blood. Okay, at that time this malarial parasite is released in our body. Okay, and multiple fission, the example of multiple fission can be seen in parasites. Okay, or you can have malarial parasites. Got it? Okay, so in binary fission 2 daughter cells is produced, whereas in multiple fusion many daughter cell is produced. Okay, and that too asexually. No male and female gamete is required. Then number third one. Third one, okay, we have budding, by budding. So there is a word bud. There is a word bud. You have heard the word bud. Okay, it is a projection, finger like प्रोजेक्शन. आलू देखे हो, यू हैव सीन द पोटैटो, पोटैटो इज देयर, और पोटैटो में भी एक छोटा वाला पोटैटो निकला हुआ रहता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड पोटैटो ओनली, दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड पोटैटो. Okay, but that is in plant, because potato is a plant. Okay, reproduction in plant. Okay, asexual reproduction in plant. So similar in animals also, budding is seen, budding can be seen. So hydra and yeast reproduce by budding. Example, we have hydra and yeast, which reproduce asexually and by budding. Okay, what happens? A bulb-like projection formed on the body of the organism. Okay, a bulb-like projection. So this is hydra, suppose. Okay, this is hydra. It has a finger-like projection. Okay, it has a finger-like projection. So this finger-like projection, when it grows, okay, when from the parent body, when this budding grows, okay, and when it is broken, it acts as a budding. That means this will act as a new individual. Okay, this will act as a new organism when it is broken. Okay, as for example, you have seen trees also. Okay, take an example of tree. Okay, example only, just imagine. Okay, think that a tree is a, suppose, see that tree. Okay, you can just imagine a tree. So it has a branch. Okay, it has a trunk and it has a branch. Okay, and branch is also similar to trunk, isn't it? And when it is broken, it acts as a new tree. If it make a straight. Okay, same thing happens with hydra also. Okay, same process happens with hydra also. So the nucleus of the parent body divides into two, and one of the nuclei goes into the bud. That means in the projection, in the bud, when the nucleus move, it acts as a new animal. It acts as a new animal or no organism. Okay, so when the bud gets matured, it detaches itself from the parent body and becomes an independent individual. That means it detaches itself. Detach itself means अपने आप को parent body से क्या कर लेता है, अलग कर लेता है. And budding can be many types. Okay, it can be 2, it can be 3, depending upon the nucleus it acquires. Got it? Okay, it is a simple process. So we have 3 processes. Number 1, by binary fission, where a parent body divides into 2 daughter cells. Multiple fission, where a parent body divides into multiple daughter cells. Okay, and both are microorganisms. Third one, by the process of budding, where a parent body, okay, is formed by bud-like projection. Okay, and it gets detached when it becomes mature. Okay, when it gets mature. And hydra, you can see it is a fixed. Hydra and yeast, they are fixed. Okay, fixed means they don't locomote, they don't move from one place to another. Okay, they are fixed in the ground. Okay, mostly in water. Hydra water and yeast in organism, means dead organisms. Okay, most organisms. So this was all about asexual reproduction in animals.